Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Audible membership through Amazon. If you've decided that you no longer need your subscription or simply want to take a break from audiobooks, this straightforward process will help you cancel your membership in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to audible.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Enter your information and sign in to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Audible membership. After you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed in the navigation bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu gives you access to all your account settings and membership details. From the drop-down menu, click on Membership Details or Account Details, depending on what's shown in your interface. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your subscription information. Although I don't currently have an active membership subscription to show you, I'll walk you through what happens next. Once you're on the Membership Details page, scroll down to find the Membership Details section. This area contains all the important information about your current subscription, including billing dates and membership type. Here you'll also find the option to make changes to your account. Look for the button that says Cancel Membership and click on it. This initiates the cancellation process. Audible wants to make sure you're certain about this decision, so they'll present you with a confirmation screen. On the confirmation screen, click Continue to Cancel. Now here's where you need to be patient. Audible may present you with several offer screens designed to retain you as a member. These might include discounted rates, pause options, or special promotions. You'll need to keep clicking through these screens. Continue clicking Continue to Cancel or Yes, Cancel as you work through any additional offer screens that appear. There may be multiple screens attempting to change your mind, so be prepared to click through several prompts. Stay focused on your goal and keep selecting the cancellation option until you reach the final confirmation page. Once you've clicked through all the offers and confirmations, you'll arrive at the final page confirming that your Audible membership has been successfully canceled. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, and you'll still have access to your purchased audiobooks even after cancellation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.